Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are using Payoneer and now you want to generate a virtual or physical card to spend your earnings, here is the simple step-by-step guide for 2025. First of all, you need to come on payoneer.com and then click on the sign in option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to provide your login credentials and you simply need to log in into your account. Now, depending on your location, you will be able to order the card during the application process or from your online account once the application process is completed. So once you are in your account, you will see the Payoneer cards option. So again, it depends on your country. Then you need to click on the order card option and follow further instructions. Alternatively, you can click on the order card option menu item located at the top right hand corner of the screen and then follow further on screen instructions. If you are ordering your first card, you will have the option to order your card via express shipping. So you need to follow these instructions in order to basically get your physical credit card from Payoneer. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more money making tools. Thanks for watching.